Breaking news. Buhari jets to US for UN General Assembly amidst insecurity, human rights violations in Nigeria, as he has sent troops already on ground to stop the 1 million march. Hello, my wonderful people. Muhammadu Buhari don't come out for the country. Abeg, una not forget to give us a thumbs up. Make una like us, share, subscribe. Make we hear wetin dey really happen. Buhari like to dey travel. He like to dey enter that plane. He just like to dey travel. May we get all the details. Some reporters gathered that the president will depart Abuja on Saturday, September the 19th, to attend the conference, which will be declared open on Tuesday, September the 14th. President Muhammadu Buhari uh, is set to go to the United Nations General Assembly 76 section in the United States amidst insecurity and gross human rights under this administration. Some reporters gathered that the president will depart Abuja on Sunday the 19th to attend the conference, which will be declared open already on the 14th. Prior to this, information have it that the president has sent foot soldiers to prevent the 1 million man gathering at the US that wants to make them understand human rights abuse and the call for referendum. The same going with him to the US for the United States National Assembly leaves Tuesday. The president will leave Abuja next Sunday to join them, a presidential source told Sahara reporters. Sahara reporters has earlier in the month reported how Buhari's chief of staff, Ibrahim Gambari, among other officers, traveled to the US to infuriate the ranks of the Nigerian self-determination groups, which earlier announced that they would storm the UN Assembly with demands for a referendum. A top source has said that why Buhari would be attending the UN Assembly, the entourage led by Gambari, who is a diplomat and a former top UN official, was sent ahead to weaken the strength of the agitator group before the president arrived so that the president will not be shamed. The UN program is starting on September the 18th. The chief of staff is leaving for US tomorrow, Thursday, with other people working with him, including the personal assistants. No one knows when they will be back, but they are not supposed to have business with the president's trip. Their main business is to weaken the 1 million man march. Buhari is attending the UN General Election Assembly, but the chief of staff already left, the source has said. Some reporters at August 11 reported that agitators group in the country under the Nigerian Indigenous Nationalist Alliance for Self-Determination said they would hold a 1 million march at the UN headquarters in New York to demand for a referendum on self-determination and abolishment of the 1999 Constitution of the Nigeria. NINAS is an umbrella body self-determination movement in the South, South, Southeast, Middle Belt, and Southwest Ilena Omodua. The 1 million man march is scheduled to hold from on the 14th when the UN meetings open to the 21st, 2021, when the 76th section of the United Nations Assembly would hold in the United States. Despite being a former army general, the level of insecurity under Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari has worsened, with virtually all parts of the country currently battling one form or another of the violence of criminals. The Global Terrorist Index 2019 ranked Nigeria as the third worst nation prone to terrorism, with no improvement since 2017. Aside from insecurity, banditry, kidnapping, and sectionist violation, which are pushing Nigeria towards the brink of a collapse, with many calling for the resignation of President Muhammadu Buhari, failed to secure the country. Using security operative, the president-led Muhammadu Buhari is also known for harassing, assaulting, and intimidating journalists, human rights activists, protesters, sites of government. The government had also shown hostility to Nigerians, judges' indifference to court judgment and orders, thereby seriously undermining the standing and authority and the notion for the access to justice. His administration simply ignores court judgment and orders. President Muhammadu Buhari has literally normalized disobedience to order of court as a part of order in Nigeria now, and state-sanctioned berating against peaceful protest. The administration is also as continues to violate fundamental human rights, which nations of the world continue to complain about. So now, so we dey hear the matter. UN, the Buhari no go go the day, no go go till the thing don't finish. Now the day when the thing ends, now it go go. It's strategic. I will tell you why it's strategic. From on the 14th that the meeting opens, the 1 million man march will be there. So if he's not there, they'll be wondering where is the president of this country. Yes, the thing starts on the 14th. Yeah, as we speak, Gambari has been in the US for some time now, and this thing will continue till on Sunday. Buhari is going there, the day is ending because not make anybody pick on him or ask him any question. You see, and say in analysis, they don't analyze and where say make it not go in the time it's supposed to go, make it go. Time will be say, nobody they see him or when nobody go notice him, or he go just come say hello, hello before you say Jack Robinson. He don't enter plane back, he don't go. Buhari administration, there is no cause for alarm to talk whether I one thing or the other. Buhari administration a failure for Nigeria, and everybody know this matter. And that's why the guy himself, he knows say he don't fail. Although na past general, but one of the worst administration we've ever experienced in Nigeria. Nigerians are tired of the current predicament that they find themselves with a man who calls himself President Muhammadu Buhari and doing nothing exactly to protect and to preserve the people from injustice, with his kingsmen carrying out all form of atrocities currently ongoing. So whether you like it or not, there is a lot involved in a lot of these things that are going on. There is a lot involved, and Nigerians are just watching as these things unfold. We'll be keeping you informed. The guy don't won't go the UN meeting in particular. Is going when the very day the thing is ending. So there has been a meeting and it's been going on. At the day where they say, well, goodbye, nice to meet you. That's the day he will go there. Can you see that this man is very crafty? Yes, a crafty one at that. Very crafty, so that nobody will put eyes on him or ask him, why is the call for sectioning going on? What have you not done or what are you doing? He doesn't want any question from anybody. So the best way to go about it is to hide, is to go under a disguise. Anyway, God will help us. Leave us a comment. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye for now.